Forgotten username recovery failed on Wealthfront App Fix. If you're locked out of your Wealthfront account, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access when you follow the right method. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. Wealthfront will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered incorrectly, which is why many users think the process failed. Avoid sending multiple recovery requests in a short period to prevent temporary account locks. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information like your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Wealthfront support directly with these details for faster recovery. Having a linked phone number helps speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it securely in a password manager or a safe note. Activating two-factor authentication ensures additional protection and reduces the risk of future login issues. Following these steps carefully allows you to regain access to your Wealthfront account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial information safe and accessible.